Hey Maureen, Clay Rivenbark out here at Tameron Honda. I've been super busy this morning. I haven't forgot about you. Shot you a text and reshoot you a text here in just a second. But I wanted to put a face with a name and let you take a look at that 17 Accord that you acquired about online. It is that EXL. It's got that sunroof guard, a great set of wheels. Have a look at the interior. This is going to be certified pre-owned, and it's only got 28,000 miles on it. So you're going to have a whole lot more warranty than you would have on a new one. In the back there, you can definitely see it's got the rear console AC vents, as well as the dual screens with dual zone climate control, heated seats, and that great Honda lane watch camera. As you can see, every time you turn that right blinker on, it puts what's over there in your blind spot right there in a place that's pretty easily visible. This vehicle is also going to be equipped with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So it'll cast your phone screen right up here on the main screen with just the click of a button. I've also got that Honda Civic you inquired about as well. It's going to be right there. This is going to be the Honda Civic you also saw online. It's a 2016 EX. So the big differences between the two. This one's going to have a cloth interior. It's got a little bit smaller screen. You still got that lane watch camera and Bluetooth, sunroof, a lot of other features. It's still certified. The miles are about the same. So if you would, I know you're working today, give me a call or shoot me a text when you can. 256-600-6525. I appreciate your inquiry, and I can promise you this, Maureen. When you come to Tameron Honda,